Could you put it back together, please? Put it back. Put there, put it back. Put the motorbike. Put the motorbike back together, please. Put here. Yes. What you need? Yes. Yes, wheel. Good boy. That's wheel. James is going to put them on together. What you put in there? Yes. What's there? You got in there? Which way? That's it. Good boy. You can fix them together. What do you need to fix? You put there. And then you're going to put the man together. Uh-oh. Careful. You can push the man together. Yeah. Good boy. Put the hat. Whoa! Well done. Good boy.
It's the motorcycle.
Yes, motorcycle. Let me have a look now. Yes, look.
High speed.
Jem put them on together. Park. Yeah, well done, Jem. Good boy. That's 1 minute that he put on together. Very fast. Good timing. Good boy.